Over you come on Tom, seconds.
Hwna'n basyn yn gyrchol. Rhywbeth dda gan Aaron Edwards yr arbediad. Mae'n disgyn I dreipper na, mae'n disgyn wrth eto I Fletcher. Yn erbyn llif y chwarae rhaid deud. Un bel hir gan Harrison yn holli amddiffyn Prestatyn. Edwards ar ei frest, arbediad gyntaf gan Carl Jones, methu I gwyro hi. Oedd wrth y gol, a Wes Fletcher yn sgori chwechad gol o'r tymor. Gan Brobl yn camu ar draws. Edwards ar draws ag at Greg Draper, Draper ar cynnig. Arbediad tro ma gan Carl Jones, ddim yn disgyn I grys y Seintiau Newydd. Bas allan I Brobl. Spenders ar ast allan o tu mewn mae'r Routledge. Routledge ar ergyd, mae'n curo. Carl Jones, munud a hannar o'r ail hannar wedi chwarae. 5 o'r tymor I Routledge, ail yn y 5 Prestatyn. Nesaf ni'n meddwl bod y gêm ar ben rwan. Awr o'r gêm di chwarae. Brobl. Teg at Rawlinson, beniad gan Rawlinson, disgyn I Darlington. Yna hi'r drydedd ar Uchafbwynt i'r Seintiau Newydd. Ail o'r tymor, a'r ail yn y 5 Prestatyn I Alex Darlington.
Make sure we stay tight there. Don't balance off then if Tom goes into there, yeah.
Spender. Ymlaen I Darlington. Wrth gwrs Cosby, drwng allan bas I Brobl. Brobl ar groesiad ag at Aaron Edwards. Tom Kemp yn colli ddyn ar y postyn pella. Oedd y groesiad yn un fendigedig gan Ryan Brobl. Shackleton, sydd I Aaron Edwards, a Brobl yn rhydd drwy'r canol. Os o gyfran 5 i'r Seintiau Newydd, na, oes os o ddim. Unwaith eto'n methu cyfleu roedd.
There you go, there you go, there you go. Stay in, don't get played, Ryan.
Buckley'n troi na. Mae'n heibio 2, heibio 3, ergydd gan Buckley! Yn I ymangosiad cyntaf I Prestatyn. Gol wych ar ddiwedd y 90. Gol gysur fydd I. O, fydd hi'n gol special I Oli Buckley. Scotty, another fantastic win, but Prestatyn made it hard for you tonight.
Yeah, they did. From the off, you know, they pressed us, and obviously with the 2 up front, as soon as they won the ball back, they were going to put us into, well, turn us round, and you know, it's going to make it difficult. And Gibbo's well organised, and they try and play, you know, and even on this pitch they try and play. So credit to them. But obviously in the end we had too much of them, and for me it was just a fantastic goal from Prestatyn, but it's just put a bit of a dampener on it really.
You know, we had 2-3 chances in the first 5 minutes, but you know, to win games of football and to win games against TNS, you've got to take every opportunity that comes your way. You've got to try and get your noses in front early, and then you've got to defend a lot better than we did for the 4 goals that we gave away. So you're almost searching for the perfect game. We started off well, but when you don't take your chances in the first couple of minutes and then they go down the other end and score with probably their first chance, you sort of think it's going to be a long night.
No, so you're still top of the tree, 1 game to go against Bangor.
Tough game next week.
Is it payback time from the first game of the season?
For me personally, on a personal point of view, you know, your first game as manager and going into that, and you know, I reiterate, I go back again and say, you know, it was a tough time. You know, first sort of league game, and you wanted to start well, and you know, you're giving the players, you're saying, look, everyone wants to be where you are, top of the tree and winning the titles. And you know, that first game of the season, it took a while to get out of the system, but we did, and we went on a good run, and where we are at the moment is where we want to be. Next Saturday's going to be a tough game, and if we can win that one, it'll put us in a good position.
We need things to go our way. You know, if we're going to win games of football, we need to take our chances, and we need to do as well as we can possibly do. And we also need a fair rub of the green. You know, and unfortunately, in recent fixtures, you know, I don't think that those fair rub of the green has gone our way. You know, and referees make decisions in an honest way, and they say that these things even themselves out over the course of the season. So, judging by our first 21 games, we're going to have a great last 11 games in terms of decisions going our way. So I look forward to that.